Hey guys, I know that everybody else is probably stuck at home with their kids trying to figure out things to teach them how to do. So I figured I'd make a little tutorial on something I'm going to teach my son how to do. Going to be using Scratch. It's a kind of an intro to programming tool. Scratch at mit.edu. It's free to use. Went in and made an account just so I can save my projects. But let's jump on in. We're going to create a new project here. And what we're going to do is basically we're going to animate our name today. This little dude comes by default, so we're going to get rid of him. We're going to grab a background. Let's see. Let's put my name in outer space. Down here, they're going to choose a sprite. Sprite can be a bunch of different things. It can be characters. It can be letters. So we're just going to start with some letters. Scratch is very cool. You can make games, you can make little animations, you can do all kinds of really neat stuff with it. It's just a great way to kind of learn kind of the way that programming logic is going to work. So we're going to grab my J here, and then over on the left-hand side, we'll have different controls and different things that we can use and kind of make the J over there do some stuff. So we're going to start on an event first, and we're going to say when this is clicked, we're going to want it to do something. What would we like it to do? Grab some controls. What we'd like to do is, how about we make it kind of, make it kind of get bigger and get smaller, and then we'll kind of piece it all together and kind of show you what that looks like in the end. We're going to have something repeat, and we're going to change the way that it looks. We're going to change its size. And then I'm going to make this do this a couple times just so you kind of get the picture here. I'm going to change its size. Let's do that twice. And on this one, we're going to make it get bigger. On this bottom one here, we're going to make it get smaller. And why don't we change its color while we're at it? This is pretty basic here, but on click, make it kind of get bigger, kind of jump around. As you can see, we can make it loop over that. We can make that happen many, many times, so it just kind of keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. And then in the end, you might end up with something kind of like that. It's kind of neat, super simple. Scratch.mit.edu, free to use. It's great for your kids. Ages between around 7 and 16. It's a whole lot of fun. There's a whole lot of options over here that you can kind of choose from. And if you're messing around within Scratch, there's all kinds of different tutorials. There's all kinds of different games and stuff that have already been made. Great tool. Give it a shout, or give it a try. Share if you end up using it. Would love to see what you and your kids can come up with, and it'd be awesome.